Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2012 Hyundai Sonata. And on this Hyundai Sonata we're going to go over how you would remove this inner tail light assembly in case you need to replace it, whether it's cracked, broken, or this LED light doesn't work. Then you would go through how we can remove this to replace a new one. So this is the inner tail light assembly. This has your reverse light bulb in it, and it has a clearance light here. It's all LED. So you'd pop your trunk and raise it up first. You remove this carpet piece, or the cover piece that's right there, and that's just a bunch of push pins that hold it all in around. Two screws right here for where the handle holds it on, and then you'll be able to remove that whole piece. With that whole piece removed, then we get the access to the screw that we need up here, and to be able to unhook the electric connector. So you're going to see an electrical connector right here that we're going to pull out. Right up in here there are two number 8s, but we're only looking for this one that's connected to the light, and it's also got a, so it's the closest one to the light housing. And so those are it's a size 8 nut. And then out here we have two. You can use an 8 on the very end or a 10 to get up inside. And these are they're a nut that's plastic coated. Once you remove those two, then you'll be able to push this up, and you'll get it up to about here. So the thing is, you'll get this housing out. You'll push from the back, and you'll be able to get it to here, and then you either just pop it like this to get it out, or you're able to just kind of pop it and twist it down, because this tab enters in right there, and it kind of catches on here. So if you just raise it up like that, you'll be able to pop it out. And so that's how you would remove it. And then if you need, you would get a new one to install, and then slide it up in there, line up that one tab, and stick it on there, and then you'll be able to put your 3 screws back on here. Snug them up, reattach your electrical connector, install it in like that, and then you would put the carpet piece back on, the 2 screws that go right back in here to hold the handle on, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.